Hi guys, today I will show you a super easy reversible crochet stitch. So start off with making a slip knot. You will then chain an even number of chains. I am doing 10 for the example. So basically you yarn over and pull through the loop. So we now have 10 chains. You will want to chain 1 and start the row 2. So in the second stitch you will do a single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. You will then do a double crochet in the next, and single crochet in the next chain. Alternate single and double crochets until the end of the row, and the last stitch should be double crochet. You will, however, not finish it up. Instead of doing that, you will add your second yarn. Just like that. Yarn over and pull through last 2 loops. You can then fasten it off. Chain 1, turn. You will want to do the single crochet on top of the last double crochet, so to say. Make sure that your hook goes basically under both of these yarns. So you do double crochet next, single crochet in the next stitch, and alternate until the end of the row. Again, the last stitch will be the double crochet, but you will not finish it up with 1 yarn. In the very end, you will switch the yarn. So you take the blue yarn in my case and pull yarn over and pull through both loops. Fasten it off, chain 1, turn, and again you start with a single crochet and make sure your hook goes under the white yarn. Double crochet in the next and alternate it until the end of the row. This way you don't have to cut the yarn at the end of every row, so it's an easier way to do it. And here you go, this is the Houndstooth stitch. It's perfect for reversible projects like scarves, blankets. Let me know if you tried